Our topic for today is dividing mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by 10, 100, or 1000 without and with remainder. Read and understand the problem. The MJR Foundation repacked 2,300 canned goods to be given to 100 families affected by fire in a certain barangay. How many canned goods did each family receive? Okay, ito yung mga question doon sa problem. 1. How many canned goods will be given to fire victims? 2. How many families will receive the donation? Then 3. What is asking the problem? 4. Can you solve the problem mentally? Then 5. How will you solve it mentally? Okay, bago natin i-solve yung problem, alamin muna natin yung parts of division. Una, yung 100, ang tawag sa kanya ay divisor. Tapos yung 2,300 are dividend. Then, ang hinahanap natin ngayon o yung answer is quotient. Then, tandaan, ang ibig sabihin ng R ay remainder. To solve for the answer mentally, we divide 2,300 divide 100. Okay. Step. First, compare the number of zeros in the dividend and the divisor. Then, remove or cancel as many zeros in the dividend as there in the divisor. And then last, divide the remaining numbers. Let us solve the problem. 100 divide 2,300. First, compare the numbers of zeros in the dividend and the divisor. Compare daw natin yung 0 sa dividend at sa divisor. Then, i-remove natin yung mga 0 sa dividend at sa divisor. Then last, i-divide natin yung remaining numbers ng dividend at sa divisor. Then yung natira are 1 divide 23. Then, divide natin siya. 1 divide 23 equal to 23. Then, multiply. 23 times 100 equal to 23. Then, subtraction na tayo. 23 minus 23 equal to 0. Then, our quotient is 23. Therefore, each family will receive 23 canned goods. How about if 2,300 canned goods will be given to 1,000 families? How many will each receive? Will all canned goods be given? Why? To solve for the answer mentally, you divide 2,300 divide 1,000. Okay, step. First, compare the number of zeros in the dividend and the divisor. Then, remove or cancel as many zeros in the dividend as there in the divisor. And next, divide the remaining numbers. Then last, if there is a remainder, write it beside the quotient using R. Okay, let us solve the problem. 1,000 divide 2,300. First, compare the zeros in the dividend and the divisor. Ilan yung zero sa 2,300? Dalawa. Then ilan naman yung zero sa 1,000? Tatlo, di ba? So, i-compare natin. Then, i-remove or i-cancel natin yung mga zero sa dividend at sa divisor. Kailangan, kung ilan yung zero sa dividend, ganun din ang i-remove sa divisor. So, ilan yung i-remove natin sa dividend? 2 zero. Ibig sabihin, 2 zero din ang i-remove natin sa divisor. Then, ang natira ay 10 tsaka 23. 10 divide 23 equal to 2. Then, multiply. 2 times 10 equal to 20. Then, subtract. 23 minus 20 equal to 3. So, ibig sabihin, mayroong natirang trim. So, ang quotient natin ay 2 remainder 3. Therefore, each family will receive 2 canned goods and not all canned goods will be distributed because there are 3 left over. Remember to divide numbers mentally by 10, 100, or 1000. Follow this step. First, compare the number of zeros in the dividend and the divisor. Then, remove or cancel as many zeros in the dividend as there in the divisor. Divide the remaining number. Then last, if there is a remainder, write it beside the quotient using R.